Hello everyone. I'm so sorry I can't be there with you today, but I'm very honoured to have been asked to read out loud a poem by some incredible young care leavers from Wales. And I'm pleased to see that their contributions are being recognised in today's new report from the Children's Commissioner for Wales. It's so important that we strive to make sure that all children's ambitions can be achieved. Sadly, too often young care leavers don't get the support that they desperately need. And so that's why I welcome the recommendations in today's report, calling on us all to do as much as we can to make sure that these young people have somewhere safe to live, that they get the social and emotional support that they need, and the opportunity to engage in education and in work and in training. So, here now, this beautiful poem by these extraordinary young people. I am not that label that you give to me. I am not that person that you make me out to be. In a house that's meant to be homely, why do I feel so lonely? Only due to the lack of truth. Too many lies. I've hit all the lows. It's time to reach the highs. I'm not different. I'm unique. But that's something you choose not to see. Through the suffering and struggling, I seek the goals that I'm trying to reach. Our future is looking free. Endless possibilities. Because I was born to live. I was born to be me. Thank you very much, and enjoy the rest of the event.